Oftentimes, people say there's some apprehension when it comes to interacting with law enforcement. Nationwide, events like National Night Out, happening tomorrow in Minot, help to bridge a stronger connection with police and the community. This family-friendly night out event at Oak Park is once again collaborating with about 50 different agencies around town. Games, food, prizes, and activities like face painting and bouncy castles for kids are set to take place from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. tomorrow. Sergeant Casey Sandusky from the Minot Police Department says it's a chance to bring the community together and show the many resources available to them.
We see people at their worst, and this allows people to come in, interact with our SWAT team and our bomb team, see some canine demonstrations, and see us in a role that is not normally seen.
For Minot, this event has been around for close to 15 years now, but nationwide it's been an event since the early 80s. Trinity Health, a longtime partner, says thousands of people attend this free event.
Meet some people from Trinity Health, see our helicopter, the ambulance, and just meet other people in their community, get to know what services are available to them.
Now, they say the event is meant to have a casual conversation with law enforcement officers and the military. Organizers say the Air Force will bring in their vehicles for interaction, while the police department will be showing off their robots and other special equipment. Always a good time.